Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon. This is your girl, Coach Shea. Happy Tuesday, coming to you for our daily business and empowerment juicy conversations. And so today, I really want to talk to you about you can't grow outside of your comfort zone. Hopefully, I wrote that correctly. You can't grow outside of your comfort zone. I want to make sure I type this correctly. You can't grow outside. Hi. How everyone is doing? Welcome today. I'm going to get started. Just going to wait a few moments. Hey, Lakeisha. So today we're going to talk about you can't grow outside of your comfort zone. And so I'm going to get started. I am your girl, Coach Shea Chisinga, CEO and founder of It's My Time to Rise Business Institute and Entrepreneurial Center for Women. So why I am talking to you right now is that, I'm going to put my earpieces on too, is that I have been telling myself in the last 90 days that I want everything God has for me. I want it all in my prayer, in my study, in my meditation, in working. I want everything that God has for me. Okay, that's going to sound much better. I want everything God has for me. In order to get everything God has for me, it will never be in my comfort zone. It will never be in my comfort zone. It's outside of the comfort zone where I have to reside, have to live, have to surrender my will in order to live outside, to get everything God has for me. I have to live outside of the comfort zone. So I've been really working on my mindset. I've been doing some serious work and I've been really committed to it. And even with my health, I'm just being really transparent today. Even with my health, I've done some changing. I've made some progress, but I knew I needed to commit at a different level. And that is, really getting the eating part in check. Hi, welcome everyone. I cannot see who's here unless you like it. Please like it for me. I want to be careful with this Facebook Live thing because they can move you down to the bottom of your page and I want people to see me. And so I had to commit to having my health at a different level. And that is including eating and exercising. Hi there, Lady Davis. Hi there, Lisa. So in committing to myself at a different level. And so what does that look like? Is that it's inconvenient and it's not going to be comfortable for me in the beginning or just comfortable at all. But if I want everything God has for me, I cannot live inside of my comfort zone. I have to live outside it. Hello there. I have to live outside of it. I was sharing this with someone the other day. Anything that hinders you, that is controlling you, that is telling you that you can't show up, that is, and you're really struggling with your confidence and your self-esteem in areas, that means it is controlling you to move forward in certain things of your life. And if it's controlling you, that means it is designed to keep you from pursuing the fullness of everything God has for you and your destiny. Hi there, Jessica, Lisa, welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. And so if you got something in your life that is hindering you, that you think that you can do without, it means that it is controlling you. It's controlling you because you're not fully showing up to pursue and do what God has given to you and is placed in your life. Here's another thing. I rather live outside of my comfort zone. I rather have insecurities than not be impactful. I'm going to say that again. I rather live outside of my comfort zone. I rather struggle with my insecurities than not to be impactful. Because here's what's happening. If you are Not showing up, you can't give impact and influence and empower people to be all that God desires them to be if you don't show up fully. If you only showing up halfway, if you're only halfway in, you will not be able to have real impact, real change, and real influence. Thank you for those loves, everyone. You will not be able to do it. You will continue to show up halfway, and you're going to get halfway results. And I don't want halfway results. I want all in results. I want everything. I want all of it. So it's going to require for me to be uncomfortable every day. It's going to be required. I'm going to tell you something. I got on my treadmill. Now I'm moving. You know, I've been doing some walking, but I got on the treadmill and I'm moving, and I start feeling everything, just feeling it, right? Guess what I started doing? God, give me the strength, because I'm going to do this. We're going to show up today. I will not stop. I will move forward, because I need my body to be whole and healthy to do what I've been called to do. I got a long way to go, and this vessel got to take me there. And so since this vessel got to take me there, then I got to be whole and healthy. And I'm just using health as an example. But even in your business, even in your time, even in how you showing up in your business, if you are showing up halfway, then you're going to get halfway results. If you're showing up, half doing the job and not fully in, disorganized, always got issues, them are the results that you're going to continue to see in your life until you decide that I'm all in and I'm going to do the work and the changing that's going to take place for me to get where I desire to be. 6 figures is there. 7-figure income is there. 8-figure income, it is available to us. I believe it with all my soul, heart, and mind. Thank you, Jessica, sister. I appreciate that. I really do. We are all in this together, right? It is there for us, but in order to get to it, we got to do the work. Nothing is being held back from us. Nothing. There's no secret. There's no secret way to doing anything. It is doing the work that it requires for us to get to that next level. So in order to do that, you got to shift your mindset. I learned this I didn't coin this, obviously. God has given us 86,400 units per day. I learned this. 86,400 units per day. That's 86,400 seconds. And so that is extremely a lot of time. That's a lot of time. And because we're not properly using the time, we feel like there's not enough time. And the reality is there is enough time. When you prioritize and shift your life to where you desire to be, you can get the results that you're looking for. I know I get up, I go to bed at 9:30 and I get up at 4:30. Let me tell you, you talking about every fiber in my body do not want to get out that bed. But guess what? I got to get to the next level. I got to get to. When I got up this morning that I had to go to the gym, oh my God, I didn't want to do it, but I got to get to the next level. When my husband, my beautiful husband, came home with some fried chicken, who does that? They're going to open it up and say, you want some? And I'm like, nope, I'm going to have my eggs and spinach. I got to get to the next level. It's going to take everything I got. It's going to take everything you got. It's going to take everything. So what you desire, you see that sign in the back of me? She created a life she loved, and that's because she did not do it in the comfort zone. It is not in your comfort zone that you're going to get where you desire to be. It's not in your comfort zone. So here's the deal. By now, I'm going to encourage you. Hi, Donna. So what I'm going to do is encourage everyone who's going to watch this now or watch it later, is that challenge yourself to do better. I've said this before, but challenge yourself to go after everything that God has for you. And yes, it is going to require for you to uproot your bad habits, your inconsistencies now in order to get to that next level. It's going to require it. And I know that you can do it. If I can do it, I don't consider myself nobody. I'm just showing up to do what God wants me to do. And we all can do it. All of us. And so I just want to encourage you on this beautiful Tuesday morning. I'm trying to see how long I've been here. I don't know how long I've been here. But anyway, so I just want to encourage you on this beautiful morning, Tuesday morning. You can't grow outside of your comfort zone. So do whatever it takes. You got to do whatever it takes. And that's why I'm encouraging you to do that. My mother has been really encouraging me too. So when I got to the gym, I sent her a message, and she was, we not sent her a message, we called on Facebook Live, or not Facebook Live, but FaceTime. And she was walking down the street in her, doing her thing. And I'm walking in the gym. And then of course I got accountability partners that holds me accountable. So what I'm using as an example, it's many other areas of our lives that we can challenge to be better. So I want to encourage you. You can't grow outside of your comfort zone. So in order to receive and get everything God has for you, you got to show up different, and you have to shift. All right, guys, you have a great rest of your week. I really want to share that we got some great, amazing things showing up here or coming up. We have our conference that's happening September 29th. Powerful conference. If you have not registered, you want to get registered. It is $77 until Friday, and then it goes up to $97. We have powerhouse speakers. LaTanya Thompson will be our keynote for the morning, and Jessica Hunt West. Woo! Is going to close us out. And it's going to be absolutely powerful, anointed, and awesome. Not only that, we're having a open house here at the center, September the 8th. And I'm doing it complimentary, absolutely at no cost. You know why? Because I want you to come and experience what we offer and what we do. You'll get a preface of what our conferences will be. And I'll be sharing more about that conference at the open house. So you want to get registered. I'm going to put the link inside the Facebook Live, and I would love to see you there. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be life-changing. It's going to be encouraging. We have two speakers there, which is Miss Bettye Calloway, and also the one is on the line, we're not for sure, but she definitely is going to come and share some really encouraging and powerful things that help you unearth your dreams. So you don't want to miss it. All right, guys, I hope to see you soon. You can't grow outside of your comfort zone. So let's take it to the next level. God bless.